hunting, and we actually found out that different stores have exclusive Hatchimals. So we got one from Target, from Walmart, and from Toys R Us. This is the Target exclusive. And this one you can hatch a Bearakeet, and this is what they look like. They have a white one and a black one. And this is the Walmart exclusive, and you can hatch a Burtle. You can hatch the turquoise or the purple one. This is the Toys R Us exclusive, and you could hatch an Owlicorn, and it comes with a bonus crystal nest, and you could hatch a pink one or a purple one. The regular Hatchimals that you can find in all the stores are the Draggles and the Pingualas, and that we hatched in our previous video, and the exclusive ones are all different species. Today we're going to be hatching the Toys R Us exclusive, and Evelyn picked this one. Comment down which one you want us to hatch next, the Walmart exclusive or the Target exclusive. Let's hatch it. We got our egg out of the package in here, and it sounds like our little Hatchimal is sleeping in its egg. This egg is light blue and pink speckled, and it comes with this really cool crystal nest. It looks so cool. If you want your Hatchimal to hatch, you have to keep on interacting with the egg so it can hatch. It's going to take 20 minutes to about 25 minutes of continuous interaction. It's so cute. I love my Hatchie. Aww, that's cute. Heartbeat. I know. Let me try. It's starting to hatch! It hatched right here. What pink did you see? Pink! I think you got the blue, but I'm not sure. Maybe the pink. I hope it's blue. It's blue! That's the one you wanted, right? Yeah! It's so adorable! It's so close to hatching. I'm too excited. This is so cute. Aww. Wow, this part is really, yeah. This whole part is cracked. This part is cracked. It's so dark. It's so ready to hatch. Oh, it's so cute. I just need this part, and then it's all done. Are you ready to meet my Owlicorn? It is so adorable. And cute. There she is. I like these ones. Yeah, and the Owlicorn. It's cute. And its ears. Yeah. I love my new they look really, really cute. I really like the ears. It looks really cute.
And the wings are so pretty.
Yeah, and many of you guys asked us if there was an off and on switch, and yes, on the bottom there is. Is she hungry? Let's feed her. She likes your food. This Owlicorn is in the baby stage. There's 2 more stages to go. The toddler stage and the kid stage. The more you play with it, the more it's gonna grow, and it's super cute. Don't forget to watch our previous video of us hatching our Draggle and Punwalla. It's a Hatchimal party. Hi there, what can you eat? Welcome to the family. Please don't forget to comment down below which one you want us to hatch next, the Target exclusive or the Walmart exclusive. So, thanks for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe